Just like in life, results are determined by little things. It's not just about seizing the moment. Every little step can lead you further. To push your limit. To find your balance. Because when the time comes, you'd better be ready. Every detail matters.